Hi friends, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Cynthia, and what I'll be bringing to you guys today is I am back at Bath & Body Works. Yes, I am back. There's about I think 5 or 6 people in line from what I can see right here. I'm gonna see if at least the first group goes in, and it is a windy day. That's why I don't want to wait out there, but I'm gonna have to because more people may come. Well, if you guys like Bath & Body Works, that is what I've been bringing to my channel. I'm going to try to do a store walkthrough, see what they've got today, see if they have anything on from the SAS sale still here for us. And what I want is some candles. All I want is some 3-wick candles at 50% off. I don't even want too many. 3, that's about it. Let's see if I can get anything, but that's all that I'm here for. I'm not going to get anything else. I'm just going to do a store walkthrough for you guys, but we are focused on the sale. We're not gonna I'm not gonna focus on the whole store. We're focused to see what they have from the sale. Okay guys, the other thing is subscribe to my channel, obviously, if you like these hauls, and if you like Bath & Body Works walkthroughs, if you like makeup. A lot of people have been asking like about my makeup. This week I'm gonna do a tutorial on this look. It's practically my everyday look that I've been wearing. I changed the eyelid colors just a little bit. The colors is just probably a different brand, but the color might look almost the same. Like yesterday, I think it looked like this, but it's actually a different one today. So yeah, that's what I'll be bringing this week. And I do have another online order that should be arriving tomorrow. I placed them separately with some reward points as well, but somehow they're arriving together, and it's really weird because it wasn't like a day apart or anything like that. But on the website, it says it's going to arrive tomorrow, both of them. We will see. I have some candles coming from that I bought for like $11.50, but I'm going to have to return, and that's why I'm going to return because that's why I'm trying to get these candles at an even cheaper price. All right, guys, I will see you when I'm inside. Okay guys, I am back and I got lucky. I found one of the things I wanted. I found the other one, but the 3-wick candle of the Mary cookie, it's not 75% off. So I'm going to show you what I was able to get. But remember, tomorrow I'm going to do a haul, more of an unboxing from the online order. That's if it gets there in time. Let's see what time this the boxes from Bath and Body Works get to my house. And I will unbox those on camera and upload it. But the wind also was practically blowing away my eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can see it messed up right there, but it's because my eyes were getting so watery. I think it's like allergies basically. Like the wind was blowing and my eyes were just watering, and so it was just messing up my makeup. Yep. Okay, let me show you what I got. This was $25, but with the 3 candles that I'm going to return, I'm still gonna get some money back. I'm still gonna get some money back, and I got more. So let me show you. I'm taking it out of the bag. I'm taking it out of this bag. My home away from home right now. I told the girl, hello coworker. There's one of the girls that I definitely see often, and she's the one that says this is your home away from home. Very nice people there too though. Okay, so I got another soap. I hadn't seen this one, pumpkin cupcake. I got this one, and it's just, and luckily I wasn't gonna get it if it was like the $8.50, but for it's $7.50, and then it is 75% off. Always forget the exact price. I don't know why I shouldn't have to look here no more. It's $1.87. Then I found this one for 75% off. I hadn't seen it. Pumpkin pecan waffles. I really do like the way it smells. This one has maple syrup, golden waffles, ooh, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. Oh, yes, I got this one. So that was $3.62. You guys know these are usually $14.50. So we got that. And I got 3 of these. One, let's set them up here so I could show you guys. 2 and 3. Can you guys see that? 1, 2, 3. So I got 3 of the cinnamon caramel swirl. And you know what I was thinking, that I should probably come back. I don't know if I could have done it like right then, like, okay, can I exchange this one for the Mary cookie? I really want Mary cookie, so I think I'm gonna come back. Probably I come every day, right? So come back tomorrow and exchange it for Mary cookie. Either way, I'll be exchanging one for a different one at least. And their exchange policy, oh, I love the way this smells. Cinnamon, I can smell the cinnamon for sure, and the caramel in here. Definitely. I don't know how they do such a good job at these things. Gooey caramel, grated cinnamon, vanilla bean. I don't know if I smelled the vanilla bean, but definitely the caramel and cinnamon. Maple brown sugar with essential oils. When I get the candles, I want to use them, like all of them right away. In fact, no lie, when I get home, I'm going to put this one in my kitchen because I want to smell this one. Oh, it smells so good. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. I took video of the store, not too much. Like I said, I focused just basically on the sale stuff that they had up. They still had things on sale, but as you go into the store, they had the new bake shop on display, and it was so beautiful. So I think it was so beautiful. It's all my favorite colors. You're gonna see a lot of pink. I love pink. I wish I could get like everything from there. But yeah, so I took, like, you know, video of it. I'm not doing a voiceover. I want to upload this quickly, and just the way my life is with my 3 kids, is so much easier to just upload it with the voiceover. And since I'm doing these videos, even the car haul here, I don't even have to worry about them being quiet and this and that. So and then did I take a little bit of the men's line? You guys saw already, because this is the end of the video. I don't know why I'm saying all this. Okay, thank you for coming to my channel, guys. I hope that you will subscribe, and I will see you on the next one, hopefully tomorrow, with the unboxing of this Bath and Body Works. Okay, bye guys, see you.